Now, there's a lot about the crypto markets that's similar to other asset classes. And when you trade them, it might feel like trading stocks or Forex, but it's a brand new asset class, and it's important to keep that in mind. The main difference with the crypto assets is that they've gone through a period of rapid evolution like no other marketplace has ever before. Bitcoin started about 10 years ago and has gone from trading at a fraction of a cent to over $10,000. There are now Bitcoin futures. These markets are evolving so fast, and they go through bear markets and bull markets, not in years, but this happens in months right now. Next, there are a variety of investors. For the first time in any market, venture capitalists are competing against hedge funds, who are competing against day traders, who are now competing against mom and pop investors. I don't know any asset class that has ever dealt with so many investors at one time. Also, and this is a warning, there's some significant technology quirks. These exchanges have basically come out of nowhere in the last few years, and they don't really have the support staff to manage as many customers that are migrating into the spaces now. For instance, in December of 2017, 3 of the most popular exchanges shut down to new investors. Now think about that for a minute. They're so popular that they had to close their doors temporarily. So that's one main technology quirk to consider when you're moving into the crypto space. And lastly, these are early stage investments. So none of these have real proof of concept in the real world. And they're more like venture capital investments. And the reason why they're so volatile and why we've never seen anything like this before is we never publicly traded a venture capital investment. They were always traded on private markets, and they were very illiquid and not open up to the public. So these are 4 main factors to consider when you're moving into the crypto markets.